everyone! Welcome to SystemEver. In this video, we are going to learn how to show the inputted data from the statement of financial position, which in this case is a balance sheet. This program is purposely made to show the comparison results between one term to another. On top of the program, we have Toolbar Panel. This inquiry button is to show the data. General Ledger to jump to General Ledger menu. And Print button to print the results. The important fields here are the current term and the previous term. Choose which term you are going to show. Choose one of the languages if it's necessary. When all is set, click Inquiry. Here's the result. Let's have a look if we change the inquiry conditions a bit. If we click Display Zero Amount and click Inquiry, it will show all the accounts, including the unused accounts. Click on Basis Amount of Current Term if it's only the balance of carry-forwarded data. And choose Basis Amount of Previous Term if it's accumulative from the previous term. On the right side of the program, we have Item Display Setting. It manages the chart of account according to the account level. For example, if we choose account level from the first year and click Inquiry, the screen will show you Activa, Liability, and Equity. If we choose the second account level, the system will bring you to a more comprehensive results. The more account levels you choose, the more accounts are shown. You may double-click on one of the entry accounts, and the system will bring you to General Ledger. Or, select one of the accounts and click General Ledger buttons. You can also hit Print button to print the results. That's the final from Statement of Financial Position. Thank you for watching and see you next time.
Should you have any inquiry, please feel free to contact us by WhatsApp or drop us email. SystemEver, making your business better.